Hi, I'm Mark Bartlett. I'm a cell biologist by training and I'm Vice President of Pharmanex Research and Development. Today I want to talk to you about TeGreen 97. TeGreen 97 is a highly concentrated extract of the antioxidants found naturally in green tea. In fact, that's what 97 means in the name. TeGreen 97. It's standardized to 97% polyphenols, a specific class of antioxidants found in green tea. But that's not all. We've also standardized it to a specific type of polyphenol called catechins. The leaves of the tea plant produce more catechins than any other plant. And each capsule of TeGreen 97 provides about 160 milligrams of these catechins. That's the equivalent to about 7 cups of green tea. And it's also 99.5% caffeine-free. So now let's talk about quality, because TeGreen 97 is a great example of what we do at Pharmanex. It utilizes only the highest quality green tea leaves. The best quality tea is actually made from only the young leaves of the plant and requires a high degree of selectivity during the harvest. So to ensure the quality we promise, TeGreen 97 is made from only the finest hand-picked young leaves, because these will yield the highest quality extract in the end. Now, the reason why we spend so much time and effort to ensure your product is standardized to specific antioxidants and uses only the highest quality ingredients is because these antioxidants help promote long-term cellular health. They help defend against free radicals at the cellular level, which helps to protect cell structures like DNA and the cell membranes from getting damaged. As a result, TeGreen 97 supports overall health and wellness. So TeGreen 97 is a great product for any adult who wants additional antioxidant support. But it's also great for people who have a hectic or busy, stressful lifestyle. So I advise you to protect your cells today with TeGreen 97.